Charge the device. Use the original charger and battery to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery requires approximately 1.35 hours to charge from 0 to 50%, and approximately 2.9 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The device has a standby time of approximately 35 days and a use talk time of approximately 23 hours. Use and talk times may vary depending on your current usage patterns, settings, and other factors and conditions. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, swipe down from the notification bar and select the Settings icon. Scroll to and select Battery. Select Battery Usage. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen in Settings, select the Power Saving Mode switch. To enable auto brightness, swipe down from the notification bar and select the Auto Brightness checkbox. Auto brightness is enabled by default. To access additional display features, select the Settings icon. Scroll to and select Display. To set a shorter screen timeout, select Sleep, then select the desired option. To turn off live wallpapers, select Wallpaper, then navigate to and select the desired option that is not a live wallpaper. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar with 2 fingers. If enabled, select Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location information to turn them off. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Select airplane mode, then select OK to confirm. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon. Then scroll to and select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Then select Do Not Auto Update Apps.